Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 C350 4MATIC Coupe. This one is a palladium silver. Under the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with 18-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got black leather interior, a panorama sunroof. And back here we've got a rear spoiler, C350 4MATIC badging. Open up the trunk here, you've got plenty of space, fresh set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Opening up the front here, we've got a burl walnut wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Got back seats back there. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters. This one also does come with the multimedia package, which comes with navigation, rear backup camera. Got our hard keys, heated seats, dual climate controls, 4MATIC, all-wheel drive, 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has 75,185 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this C350, check out feldmanimports.com.